So we have Maddox and Teresa Craig in here, and on behalf of the Williams Marshall Cares Leadership Program
and the Global Children Financial Literacy Foundation,
we want to present Maddox with a very special gift. It's Apple stock.
and also we're going to present her with the Wesley Learns book series. Wesley Learns about insurance, featuring NFL Hall of Famer Terrell Davis, Wesley Learns to Invest, and Wesley Learns to Credit. All of these books are hers as well, to pass on financial literacy and also a share of Apple as well. You got anything you want to say, Mom?
Thank you so much for offering my daughter the stock. I, as a single mom, do teach her about spending money, saving money, and investing. So I thank you for helping me help her for her future.
All right.
Absolutely.